Next, we are going to see how to take input of string from user. So in demo2 package, this is our class str input, and this is our class. Here we are declaring one string variable, string str is its name. Now here we have to give buffered reader beer, buffered reader object. New input stream reader. Within bracket system.in. Now we have to import related classes. So import java.io.bufferedreader, and second class will be import java.io.inputStreamReader. These are two classes we have imported, and here it should be capital R. Now we have taken a variable str, so str equals to, now we don't need parseIn, integer.parseIn. We can directly do it like this, br.readline. So we have taken input of our string. Now we have to put it in try catch block. So try, and here we can put catch. Sorry, exception. This is exception object, and here within system.out.println we can print any message. Save it, and here we can print our string. So to print string, system.out.println, and string is equals to, and outside double quotes we have to put plus and variable name, that is str. Save, run. So it is asking, we haven't given any message, so here we have to put that message, system.out.println, enter a string. Save it and run it. So it's asking us for string, so we have to give string hello Java, and it has printed our string hello Java. So this way we can take input of string from user.